Hello everyone, I'm Jake Bachman, Account Manager with Glick Fire Equipment. With the cancellation of the 2020 Fire Expo, there seems to be a large hole in tradition. Like you, we were saddened to learn of it. I mean, what is springtime with a stroll through the farm show complex enjoying the fresh smells? Well, we decided to think outside the booth. Instead of you coming to us, we're bringing our industry-leading vehicles to you. During the week that would be Expo, we're going to host a virtual Fire Expo. We'll be showcasing some of our recent deliveries, including Pierce, Braun & Demere's, and Crestline. You'll be able to view a three-dimensional layout of the unit as if you're standing next to it on our blue floor. Each day will bring a few new units. Like all of our custom vehicles, no 2 days will be the same. You'll be able to see different chassis offerings, body options, and vehicle configurations. With several units, you'll be able to see custom equipment mounting by our unbeatable fabrication department. They meticulously design tool layout for the most efficient use of space. Their attention to detail is truly what sets us apart. We understand that part of the allure of Expo is getting to chat with your local account manager. So, all of our account managers will be available during the course of the week. We'll be here to answer any questions you may have. Additionally, there will be online registration forms to request more information on a certain unit. So keep an eye on social media for release information. We look forward to working with you on your next purchase. From all of us here at Glick, thank you and stay safe.